welcome to my clothing treasure. This is Jyoti Mishra and once again I'm back with my favorite collection of Khandwa silk sarees. Yes, these are from Odisha, as you all must have known by now, and from Odisha also these are from the Cuttack side, so it's also called known as Katki sarees by many. So yes, and this one that you see is in a gorgeous blue, and it's not really a flat blue. इस पे थोड़ा सा purple touch भी है. You can see how it the sheen is so pretty. It really has a beautiful shine. बहुत ही सुंदर shine है, and the combination is also really fab. And the pattern is slightly different. Usually you see in Nuapatna Khandwa sarees and a little classy typical patterns that has been there for a long while, but ye jo sari hai, it has a contemporary touch, and you can see this pattern. It's like there are three men, tribal men, dancing together. बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. Very unique pattern, and combination तो आपको दिख ही रहा होगा how pretty it looks, blue and red. And also the pallu is a bit long here, and pallu का pattern भी देख लीजिए. Very detailed, बहुत ही detailed काम है यहाँ पे. Ikat is, as you all might be knowing by now, if you follow my channel, then of course you must be knowing कि Ikat is one of the most labor intensive form of weaving, and I feel really proud every time I showcase sarees from Odisha. So yes, this tribal pattern it goes on throughout the saree. पूरी साड़ी में same pattern है throughout, and as usual ये भी 3 ply silk से बना है, and इस पे there is no blouse piece, but if you want it can be paired with red silk blouse piece. I can arrange the same with bandha border. Usually जो blouse pieces होती हैं वो available होती हैं in all colors, but red and black are most commonly and most easily available. So if you want, then you can ping me. I will give options. So yeah, this is saree number 1 and the price is 9,800. Let's move on to the next one. So this is the second saree and my favorite, and I hope you can see why. It's a very unusual when it comes to Khandwa silk sarees to find such pieces. It's a masterpiece, a very unique piece, mustard, black and red. The combination in itself is very unique, and तीनों colors में I think it was very smart of the weavers to just put the black in the middle, जिसकी वजह से yellow and red are popping so beautifully. आपने देखा होगा yellow mustard and red का combination is very popular throughout India, and it looks fab on all kind of complexions in India. And Odisha में black and red का combination is very famous because Jagannath Mahaprabhu, his face is black and his lips are red. So yeah, so to combine these 3 popular colors in such a beautiful manner, and look at the motifs. The motifs are not really new, but they have been revived, I would say, because उनको इन 3 bands में डालने के लिए they have उनके sizes को they have reduced proportionately to साड़ी के जो band है उसके accordingly, and it's really smart of them to also reduce the size of the border. Usually आपको जो उड़ीसा के sarees में border दिखता है, that is this in 4 inch, about 4 inch, but this one is just I feel it is just right for this saree. A wonderful combination and a masterpiece, truly a masterpiece. And this is the pallu, you can see. The price is 10,200. Very beautiful Khandwa silk saree with 3 ply silk, and this doesn't have any blouse piece, but if you want, then personally I think it will go with black blouse of the best. You can see that it looks wonderful with this one also, the one I am wearing. So yeah, please go with black. That's my suggestion, but also you can pair with red if you want to. That will also look nice. I'm not saying it will not look nice, but I think the black really does that trick. So yes, let's move on to the next sari. Okay, so this sari you can see Odisha silk की बात हो तो then बिना पसापाली के it is not complete. The collection needs to have at least one pasapali pattern. So yes, this sari is in a beautiful wine color and इसके body पे you can see white and black में pasapali patterns throughout the body, but ये बहुत tightly packed नहीं है. So if you like your saris to not have too many things on them, then definitely this is one sari you can go for. इसके जो borders हैं on both sides you get the same border in black and the pallu is also in black. So ideally you should pair it up with a black blouse. तो आपको चाहिए अगर उड़ीसा इकत के same type के border के साथ blouse, then definitely ping me. I will show you options. Otherwise you can just go with any black blouse. You can see even this, this cotton thing, cotton black thing is also going really well with this. And the price is 8,900. This is without blouse piece, as with most Khandwa silk sarees. I'll just show you the entire saree once. Yeah, that's the color. Can you see? Yeah, now, yeah, that's the color. It's not dull. It's not dull as it is looking here. It's right now the color you see, that's the color. Every saree that I am sharing, it has a beautiful shine. It may or may not be visible on the camera, but when you personally see it, you will really admire the shine these sarees have. Wonderful. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so another one to get you more confused. This collection is really fabulous. Each of the sari, they are one of a kind. Each sari is just fabulous. You can see checkered pattern hai rectangles ka, and throughout the sari it's really a very contemporary looking sari, and uske beech mein you can see these dots which represent भगवान को हम लोग जब टीका लगाते हैं चंदन टिप्पा बोला जाता है in Odisha. So we put chandan like this and then we put it like this. So ये उसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है. एंड दिस कॉम्बिनेशन तो आपको मैं बहुत बार बता चुकी हूँ. ब्लैक एंड रेड इज उड़ीसा का फेवरेट ही है. एंड अगेन दिस पल्लू इज ऑल्सो लॉन्ग. यू कैन सी इस पे कितना सुंदर. या यू कैन सी द पैटर्न हियर एंड द एंटायर साड़ी गोज ऑन लाइक दिस. एंड इसके साथ भी आपको ब्लैक ब्लाउज बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And if you need, then you can ping me on WhatsApp 8260607401, and the price is 9,200. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is the last sari and a very special one because इसका जो fabric है that is slightly different from अभी जितनी sarees मैंने आपको दिखाई, आज तक मैंने जितनी भी खंडवा sarees दिखाई है उनसे slightly different है. इसका जो silk है that is 4-ply silk. इसका जो weft है उसमें 4-ply silk use हुआ है instead of 3-ply silk. Also you can see the pattern is slightly different in the sense that इसका border जो है वो plain है. So yes, if you are looking for जिनको कि वो मांधव बॉर्डर देख के अपनी दादी नानी की याद आती है कि उनको देखे ये साड़ी में we need something different, then yes, this saree is the answer. आप देख सकते हैं it has a plain black border, so it has that modern touch, and pattern is animal border on both sides, peacock and elephant on both sides, you can see. And the color is again green black. जब भी मैं लेके आती हूँ ये combination में कोई भी साड़ी single पोसापल्ली border हो double पोसापल्ली border हो, it gets sold out so quickly. So yes, this is again another combination that people really love. And look at that pallu. Can you see? Usually खंडवा साड़ी के जो पल्लू होते हैं वो थोड़ा typical rust color के होते हैं and then the typical pattern. But look at this one. कितनी कितनी डिटेलिंग है इस पे. You get so many things and look at that color, green, red, mustard, black के बेस पे they are really it's coming out beautifully. अगर आप इसको साड़ी को लेते हैं then definitely keep the pallu open. Okay, so that's the main attraction. And of course one more attraction is that this saree has a blouse piece. Yeah, this is the entire sari. The body has plain white buttas, very small ones. Okay, बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी है. And you can see black पे कैसा लगेगा. It आई थिंक बहुत जितना मैं सोच रही थी इस साड़ी को देख के उससे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. दैट इज द चार्म ऑफ ओडिशा, यू नो, इक्कत साड़ीज मोस्टली. ये उसका ब्लाउज पीस है. इक्कत साड़ीज को जब आप देखते हो यू गेट अ फील कि हाँ ये साड़ी पहनने पे ऐसी लगेगी, बहुत अच्छी लगेगी, बट एक्चुअली डालने पे यू रियलाइज कि जितना आपने सोचा था उससे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. आई एम रियली लाइकिंग दिस वन. सो यस, इसका जो प्राइस है दैट इज 13,600 एंड शिपिंग इज फ्री थ्रू आउट इंडिया. अगर आप बाहर से ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं देन शिपिंग विल बी एप्लीकेबल एज पर एक्चुअल प्राइस. एंड अगर आप 30,000 से ज़्यादा का ऑर्डर देते हैं देन शिपिंग विल बी फ्री. We do take fall and pico order, you know, with the sari. It's the price is 150 per sari. अगर आप you know इंडिया से बाहर से ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं then we can do that also. And 30,000 का ऑर्डर होगा अगर देन बाहर भी, इंडिया के बाहर भी शिपिंग विल बी फ्री. एंड कैश ऑन डिलीवरी इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल फॉर 50 rupees per saree throughout India. So I think I covered everything, and yes, my WhatsApp number 8260607401. That's the number if you need to, you know, ask anything, you have any concern, any queries, then do get in touch on WhatsApp. I do reply whenever I see any message from any of you. So yes, you can do that. With that, I will end this video and I'll be back with another video very soon. Have a very nice day. Bye.